Hello there. This is Chuck with Chief Outsiders presenting What's New with Chat GPT. In this session, let's chat about customized Chat GPT. A wonderful new feature within Chat GPT is that it can now remember who you are and how you want to respond. Yes, you can now personalize what Chat GPT knows about you and how it responds to enhance your interactions. Conveniently, it will remember these personalized settings for all future chats. To set up these personalization features, click on your name in the bottom left corner, then click on Customize Chat GPT, and the Customize Chat GPT menu appears. You'll notice two sections. The top section is where you inform Chat GPT what to remember about you, and the bottom section is how you want Chat GPT to respond. Let's talk about the top section first. What we want ChatGPT to know about us. Here are some elements to consider. Should ChatGPT know my name, occupation, and title? What should ChatGPT know about my company? Here are some thought starters. For the bottom section, how we want ChatGPT to respond, here are some things you can think about. How formal or casual should ChatGPT be? How long or short should responses generally be? Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? What do I want to make sure ChatGPT does with the files I upload? Once you have personalized one or both sections, make sure Enable for New Chats is turned on by clicking the switch so it is green. And click Save. You can always go back and edit these personalizations at any time, and they will go into effect starting with your next new chat. And that's what's new with ChatGPT. This is Chuck with Chief Outsiders.